Question 9. Lunid's tent is in the shape of a triangular prism. The cross-section of her tent is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are the same. She noted a few measurements on the diagram of her tent as shown below. Calculate the volume of Lunid's tent. Right, if we go back to the front page, it gives you a formula for volume. Okay, volume of prism is area of cross-section times the length going back. So if you're looking at this shape, you've got a triangle here. Okay, an area of the cross-section, in this case, is a triangle. An area of triangle is base times height divided by 2. So the base of my triangle would be across there. So my base, because it's an isosceles triangle, it's going to these two lengths here are going to be exactly the same because it's isosceles, two of them are the same. So that means this is 0.7. The other side will be 0.7 because that goes straight down the middle. So the total length of my base is going to be 1.4 meters. So I'm going to be doing 1.4 times the height. And this is the problem. We've got to find the height. So I'm looking there because it's not the diagonal height, it's the perpendicular height. And I know, and I can see a right angle triangle. As soon as I see a right angle triangle, I think it's either trigonometry or Pythagoras. Because there's no angle in there, this Pythagoras' theorem. So this Pythagoras, I'm finding the shorter side because this is the hypotenuse opposite the right angle. So I'm going to be doing square, square, subtract square root. Alright, so square, I'm going to square the bigger side, 1.8, square the shorter side, work them out. I'm then going to subtract them and then square root the answer, and then now we'll find the height. So let's have a little look at it. So the squared button is the x to the 2. So it's 1.8 squared, which is 3.24, 0.7 squared, which is 0.49. I'm going to subtract them now because I'm finding one of the shorter sides. So 3.24 take away 0.49 is 2.75. And then I'm going to square root 2.75. So the square root of 2.75 is equal to 1.66 to 2 dp. So now, when I'm working out the volume of the tent, this volume was area of triangle times the length going back. So the area of the triangle, as I said, is base, which is 1.4, multiplied by the height, which we've just found is 1.66 divided by 2. That would be the area of the triangle, which I'm going to work out first. So the area, 1.4 times 1.66 divided by 2, which comes in as 1.16. And now I'm going to multiply by the length going back. So the volume is 1.16 multiplied by the three-dimensional length, which is 2.5. So we're multiplying that by 2.5. My answer comes up to 1 decimal place is 2.9. So the volume of my tent is 2.9 meters cubed.